So a very good evening to my dear friends. So as all of you are preparing for your RBI Grade B examination, but there are many students who still think that how this prelims, that is phase one of this RBI examination, could be tamed, right? Because of so many things, so many flooded information, so many posts, so many PDFs, so many videos. But as per your requests, right, I am floating this crash course, right? Because of so many requests from you that you want some cost effective simple strategy that you can just complete in 50 days, right? That is was your ask. So your demand is my command. With that only I have started this RBI grade B crash course for your phase one. For those students who have started late, those who are working, cannot do a lot of things, for them this is the best course that is available for your RBI phase one, because this time you are getting additional 50 days, 45, 50 days for your phase two preparation, which never happens in your RBI grade B examination. So once you are into the phase one, right? If you crack the phase one, phase two, you can prepare in that time slot, because phase two of RBI is much easier than phase one of the RBI examination. So let's talk about this crash course and how this simple and effective plan will help you to excel in this RBI grade B examination. So what strategy you can opt for? So my dear friend, this strategy lies in, right, the previous year questions. What type of questions they have asked? Don't start your preparations blindly. Follow the pattern, follow the trend, then only you can answer most of the questions, right, in RBI examination. So if you go through the previous year questions of RBI, particularly the year 2023, right? Why the cutoff is decreasing in RBI, right? Because of the level of the questions, and nobody is able to, right, study at that level, right? So it is advised that try to study from where they're asking question, right? If you analyze the question paper of 21 to 23 with a stress on paper of year 2023, you will see that this section, the miscellaneous GK section related sports awards, holds the least significant, right? This is not important. All the new aspirants will do what? They will start reading about sports awards, the normal PO type of GK. The IBPS PO type of GK, if you'll start reading for RBI, it is not going to give you the result. What you have to do, you have to focus on this three areas, especially one, two, and three. So first we'll discuss about the area number one, that is the reports. Report based question they ask, right? Many, right? The reports like national reports, international reports, with the stress on the finance, economy, banking. They also ask many questions from the latest RBI annual report. Then the whatever the circulars and guidelines they keep on publishing that appears in the newspapers, again they try to ask. So you have to master this topic, right? Then nail the newspapers, whatever the news are related to your finance, climate change, banking, business is also important. They try to ask the stock market, the capital market, they try to ask those questions. So if we'll start reading the static portion, it is of no use right now. You have to secure your berth for the phase two of the examination. So you have to thoroughly go through the newspaper articles of national and international, and we will be helping you in this. You don't have to write, do anything. We will give you all the compilation with original articles of the national and international newspapers. That will be giving it to you. Third thing is the quant reasoning section. See, there are many questions that are easy in the examination. So you have to learn the art of hunting. How you will learn this art of hunting? The easy question: if you practice the time based test, the practicing time based test is the key. Without time based practice, if you will keep on solving the quantizing, it is of no use. You will come under pressure in the examination. So time based practice, and try to learn the art of hunting the easy question that you can gain marks to qualify over here, right? So this should be the simplest strategy. Just think on these three parameters just I told to you. You will be able to crack the phase one, right? Apart from this, my dear friends, what is important is that you can see the scoring area. So how do you score? Because the number of vacancies are 66, so you have to enhance your scores, right? In GA you can target, as per the previous year, you can target 45. In English you can target 15. In reasoning you can target 15, and quant you can target 7. Around 82 marks will be there. So this is just an idea I'm giving. It is not the exact thing. You can target this for now as per the level of the previous year, so that you can secure enough number to get into the phase 2, right? So this is the right ratio you can think of scoring, because GA is going to play a very important role. English is little bit easy. You can score in English. Reasoning, since 60 questions are there, anyhow you can manage to just solve 15 questions. Quant again 7 questions only. So sectional cutoff will not shoot, but overall cutoff you'll see that shooting up this year, right? This is the key. So how the crash course is going to help you, how the crash course is going to help you, the three areas I told you that is going to play a leading role in your examination, right, will be covered in our crash course by the simple 6 things, by simple 6 segments. If you try to complete, make your situation complex by so many things, you will not achieve the goal. So we will give you the month wise current affairs compilation from March till September, then RBI circulars, guidelines, whatever are important from January till date, budget, the latest one that is coming, the important schemes. We will not give you a individual scheme, right? We'll give you gist of the important schemes that were in the news, in the newspapers, and in the PIV. We will be giving a gist to you from January till September, right? Additional MCQ of the important topics and news in the newspaper, and you will be getting 10 full length test plus special test. Just I will try to show it to you. You can see in the portal, you will be getting all these options, right? In our course, the first thing you'll be getting the month wise current affairs analysis. See, you can see if it opens down right now, I'll try to open and show it. You see all the videos and the PDFs. See, you can see this PDF. If I try to open this, if it opens, yeah. See, this is the first, the previous year question that you can go through over here and gain the idea. Then you can go to the video of this. So you can see first to 10 mark video, which covers almost all the important. I'm telling you again and again, it covers the important articles. So all the important articles from the original sources, that is important, that you will be getting in this course. And the associated MCQs are also there with this. So every week is being covered in this manner. So we'll get the important, again, I'm saying the original source, they are asking question. So you should know that which is the article, why it was in the news, what type of question can be framed. So everything is being dealt with in our course like this manner, right? So you'll get this, see, this is 24 to 31st of March. Again, you'll getting all the, see, this is the original newspaper article, what you have to read from this, right? What type of question they can from this, everything is being discussed in this PDF, right? That you'll be getting. So apart from this, what you'll be getting, that I will be showing to you, just a minute if you give me time. See, this was the first section. See, all the current news and the videos associated with it, you will get, right? Then what you will be getting, this is the RBI circular series. See, all the important circular from January till end, video and their associated PDF you'll be getting in this course, that you have to keep on reading. Then third thing, the budget is coming, that you will be getting. The gist of the all the important schemes that can be asked, you will shortly be getting over here in this portal, right, in this section. And then you'll be getting the additional MCQs, right, additional MCQs on the important topics, whatever things are there in the news, in the newspapers, that you'll be getting. You can see over there all the things, the videos associated with it. And last but not least, this is going to be the game changer, the high level test of clarity, that you'll be getting full length 10 test. You can give this trial test, right? And you can take this test and you can just see how much you are getting this score, right? So full length test as per the demand of the RBI official examination, the test will be there, right? You can attempt this test, this trial test, and you'll be getting 10 tests. Not only this 10 test, you will be getting 3 more special tests based on budget, based on schemes, and based on your RBI circular. So these are the things you'll be getting right in this. And try to stick to this. Do not try to do a lot of things, right? You will fail miserable in the examination, because at last what it matters is consolidation of the things. जितना चीजों को minimum रखोगे, effective रखोगे, you can, right, revise the things, the more better your examination will be. So you'll be getting the 10 full length test, including your quant, reasoning, and English. See, 10 test means 120 into 10, right? 1200 questions you will be solving. That is more than enough. Don't try to be over ambitious कि 10 test में क्या होगा, 1200 question. It matters a lot in this 50 days if you solve the effective questions, right? Then you will getting special test on your budget, then special test on schemes, then special test on circulars and RBI annual report. So these will be the things that you will be getting in this overall crash course, which is more than enough at a price just rupees 999. you'll be getting everything. But what more, if you qualify the phase one, you will be getting our phase two with least price, phase two preparation with least price. So just you can click on this, right? Start with the preparation. It is the best thing that you will be getting in this just 999 price. So many things, and the quality of clarity that you will be getting with all these things. So with this, I'm signing off. Start preparing. All the best, my dear students.